Good morning to everyone. My lesson is dividing fraction by a whole number. Example. Okay, this is my given. 2/3 divided by 4. First in line, so we're going to write 2/3. Then reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. And then is the sign of the division multiplication. Multiply the numerator by denominator. First, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. Or, so divide natin 2, 12, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And divided by 2 equals 6. Ibig sabihin po, 2 over 12 is not a final answer, but there is a simplest form. So, 12 of them divided 2. So, the final answer is 1 over 6. Thank you po.